Starting around 26 October 2023, Cardano generally is exchanging at 29 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.67% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. ADA generally has an especially all-out market cap of $10,309,428,043 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $277,637,780, or so they for the most part thought. This essentially makes Cardano, ADA, most certainly positioning at 8 in the digital money market, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano especially be somewhat worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge? Is Cardano a wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Will ADA cost really outperform its unequaled high, which sort of is very critical? These really are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023, as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost certainly is supposed to cross a really normal value level of 34 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to be 33 cents amazingly. Besides, ADA can really arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 37 cents in an essentially significant manner. Cardano value estimate August 2023, the kind of normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could in a real sense go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA could by and large be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of 31 cents, with the sort of least expected cost of 28 cents, so this truly makes Cardano, ADA, lovely positioning at 8 in the digital money market, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture September 2023, in September 2023, the really most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around 33 cents amazingly. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 in a real sense is 30 cents with a very normal cost of 31 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano value estimate October 2023, in October 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to basically be at around in every practical sense, least of 31 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano cost can generally arrive at in every practical sense, limit of 34 cents, with the typical cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, which in every way that really matters, shows that Cardano value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around a very least of 31 cents, which truly is very huge. Cardano value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of 32 cents amazingly. Cardano cost can essentially arrive at in every practical sense, limit of 36 cents, with the typical cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 37 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 generally is 33 cents, with a very normal cost of 34 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano by and large passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost for the most part has shown a kind of good increment of 3.62% in the very most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. From most recent 7 days, the ADA especially was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 20.83% in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano generally has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be essentially great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, showing how starting around 26 October 2023, Cardano explicitly is exchanging at 29 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.67% in very most recent 60 minutes, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA certainly diminished by 34.702%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of 16 cents from its extremely current worth, which most certainly demonstrates the way that ADA could sort of exchange around a truly greatest worth of 31 cents with the truly least expected cost of 28 cents. So this basically makes Cardano, ADA, fundamentally positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in a significant way. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a fundamentally decent truly purchase a potential open door for most certainly fast speculation, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 22.96%, and the cost most certainly flowed from an exceptionally least truly normal cost of 37 cents to truly greatest especially normal cost of 39 cents in the beyond 90 days, extremely further appearance how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano truly be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they most certainly thought. In kind of most recent 4 months Cardano basically has shown a developing pattern, which sort of shows that Cardano value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to explicitly be at around an especially least of 32 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Accordingly, we basically believe that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, which sort of is very huge. As per the actually the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano certainly is expanded from 4 months in every way that really matters, enormous way. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, showing how in very most recent 4 months Cardano essentially has shown a developing pattern, which certainly shows that Cardano value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano really is supposed to be at around a very least of 32 cents, or so they especially thought. The coin sort of is up by 8.00% with the by and large greatest by and large normal cost of the coin by and large was around 27 cents. And the in every way that really matters, least sort of normal cost of generally was around 26 cents in every way that really matters, recent months, so Cardano value figure September 2023, in September 2023, the all things considered. Most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around 33 cents in a kind of significant manner. Cardano value gauge 2023 facts what will be Cardano for the most part worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The ADA value sort of is determined to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 37 cents, with for the most part least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing how these for the most part are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they by and large thought. Does Cardano generally have a future, which for the most part is very huge? As far as value, Cardano basically has an exceptional especially potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels,